Hello friends, welcome to the Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have learnt about the tags and also seen the demo of different type of tags. In this video, we will be covering the attributes. So what are attributes? HTML attributes are special words which provide additional information about the elements. An attribute in HTML provides extra information about the element and it is applied within the start tag. So attribute is something which will be written in the start tag. So this is the start tag and this is the end tag. So attributes are provided in start tag. An HTML attribute contains two fields, name and value. So attribute consists of two fields, name and value. So what is the syntax of attribute? So here we have the start tag, here we have tag name, here we have enclose the tag name, here we have the content which will be displayed on browser, and here we have the attribute name and attribute value. So let's see in the code what is exactly the attribute and what will be its attribute value. So here we have our attribute demo.html. So first let's get blueprint of HTML. So here is our blueprint. Title will be attribute demo. So here we need to give the tag name. So let's take paragraph. So here is our start tag, end tag. So attribute will always be in the start tag. So style is one of the attribute, and in style you can give its value. So see, we can get here the predefined values. So let's select color and you can give the color name, let's say red, and here we can provide the content. Hello, I am attribute with style color red. So let's save this and see the changes in the browser. So this is just a small. So see, so this is our attribute demo title which we have provided. So this is our paragraph, and previously we have seen in demos, like when we have provided the paragraph, when we have given some content in paragraph tag, it was by default black, but here we have provided the style as color red, so it's getting printed as red. So you can just give styling to your text by providing the attributes. So if I say color as brown, save it and refresh the browser. So see, you will see the difference here. So this was all about the attribute. In the previous video I have told you about the HR tag which does not need the enclosing tag, so let's cover that also. So HR tag stands for horizontal tag, so it will be displaying one horizontal line. See, the tags get displayed here, horizontal line. So basically more details will be covered in upcoming videos. So this was all about the attributes. We will be covering more attributes. Just remember the syntax for the attributes. It should be always in the starting tag. It should be in the form of key value pair, or what we can say like name value pair. So that's it for this video. We will be covering upcoming topics in next video.